Hey, this is Riza, founder of Tocayo. I want to thank you for using Tocayo to support your business. And while your website is generating, I want to take that time to show you around and get you familiar with the platform. So once your website is finished generating, you'll land on the dashboard that you see here. There's a few things to point out. You're able to see the URL. And if you click that, it'll open up your live site. You can also access the live site from the navigation bar up top. And then you'll notice that we have the SEO visibility. So every site on Tocayo gets run through 48 different checks, and that score is displayed to you. You are able to click the settings icon, and that takes you to the SEO report. So you can see what performed well and the items you can improve on. So we have suggestions for you to go ahead and complete. Those typically involve updating content on your page to be more thorough and robust, highlighting keywords for your service, etc. So next up, we will be able to see form inquiries over here. So if you open up the leads, we don't have any yet on this demo site that I'm showing you, but you'll be able to track and manage your leads that fill out the contact form on your website. From this tab, it's in the upper navigation bar over there. Another important aspect is the analytics and the website traffic. So you'll be able to see how many visitors you're getting on your page. And then if you upgrade to our Pro subscription, you're able to get more robust insights into the analytics of where these users are coming from and the behavior that they're displaying on your website. And from there, we also have the custom domain. So you are able to bring over an existing domain if you own one. But if not, don't worry. You can just search for whatever domain you would like right there in the search bar and search for it. It's included for free in your Tocayo Pro subscription. So be creative, come up with your domain that you love and get that on us. And the next important thing is the website editor. So you'll notice here we can edit the website. This takes you to our edit experience, which it's important to know that you can change the theme of your website. You can change the fonts. You can add pages, remove pages, change sections, etc. So you can simply click and start typing, change words on your website however you wish. And you can do that on the buttons also. So just to give you a short introduction there, you can click on particular sections. You'll be able to add a section below, add a section above. If you add a section, it opens up our section library where you can see there's a variety of different section types to choose from. And each of those section types has different layouts and formats. So you can truly customize this to your brand and your liking. So over here, we have some quick themes. These are suggestions. If you already know your exact brand colors and everything you like, you can customize styles and open that up and be able to put in the exact colors that you want. There's a little preview over here of how exactly that will show up. And you're able to change the way the buttons appear, whether they're rounded or more tight and square. So play around with it and you'll come up with something that you truly love. Over here in the sections, you can click on the drop down and you can see the different section types that we have here. So if you click on it, it will go ahead and update the section to a different style. This may not fit what you're looking for. So you can always switch back to something that is more aligned with the style that you're going for and the image that you may have. If you need to replace an image, you can simply click on it, click replace. It'll open up your Finder. You'll be able to select the image file that you want. And then down here in the editor, you'll just click send and it will update the image for you. So that brings us to the next feature in the editor. We have the chat. It's still in beta. I'm working on this every day, improving things, giving it more robust capability. So you can type your edit requests in there and the system will take care of those for you. So once you have edited the website to your liking, you'll simply come up here and either click publish if you're ready to launch those changes live to your site immediately, or you can save for later and come back and continue working and publish at another time. So as we're getting ready to wrap up, I'll just quickly show you the account. There's lots of good features here that I want you to be aware of. So over here in profile, this is where you can update your phone number, your email, the business name. Those update on your website as well. You can also change the language. If you want your site to be in Spanish, you can switch there. And then over here in branding, you're able to go through the different logo, favicon, social share image, and go ahead and replace those or remove those if you wish. You'll be able to find domain here. Once again, we also have the blog feature. So you can enable a blog on your website and then begin to start publishing articles. And if you already have a pre-existing website with a blog, you can paste that URL in here and be able to import those posts over to your Tocayo site. And next, we have the calendar feature. So you'll be able to come in here, and if your business requires calendar bookings, you just simply activate the calendar booking after you create appointment types. So it's important, your customers need something to book. So you create some appointments, and then you come over here and enable bookings, set your time zone, your business hours, and the calendar will show up on your website. You'll be able to manage the calendar or see who booked from the calendar up in the navigation. And then we also have the contact form. So this is where you can set the fields that are on your lead form on your website. So by default, name, phone number, email are included. But if you wish to qualify leads further, you can add fields there. So last but not least, I'll show you the quick, fun color picker for the theme of this dashboard in your account. So you can always switch it to dark mode if that's something you prefer, a little easier on the eyes, or you can go light and bright. It's up to you. So your website should be ready by now. And I thank you so much for using Tocayo and wish the best with your business. If you have any questions, please open the feedback form. Let me know what's going on. We also have support requests, so you can submit that. I review these every day, and I'll be in touch soon. Thank you.